What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing this vampy fall look. It's just giving me everything I need right now. You guys know I live in Miami, and we don't really experience much of any type of fall. So like right now I'm in this sweater dress, like sweating, filming this video. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Okay, my brows are already done. We're gonna go ahead and jump into primer. Since it's like winter season and I would expect people's skin to be more on the dry side, so instead of going like more matte, we're gonna go dewy and, you know, more skin like. So I'm gonna use the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It's not really like an oil that like feels oily and greasy on your face. It kind of gives your skin like a pick-me-up. And I'm also going to use their foundation. This is their Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. This foundation is also more skin-like instead of like matte. I'm really starting to enjoy skin-like foundations a lot more than matte. This foundation is buildable, so I have a whole review on this foundation, so I'll link that up at the top. I'm just going to apply some more to my problem areas. I'm also going to try like Jackie's method, where she uses like a concealer that's a little bit darker than she is and has like a orange peachy tone to it. So I'm going to use this concealer by Wander Beauty. Like, it has a liquid on one side and then the other side is a stick, and I'm going to use that like around my mouth, because around my mouth I have like hyperpigmentation, so like in pictures it looks kind of gray, and I would use it as a spot corrector, but I already got on foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. Okay, now I'm going to go into concealer. I'm using my favorite concealer. I always use this concealer, and I'm gonna apply that where I normally apply concealer. I'm gonna use some Anastasia setting powder. This is in Banana. I'm going to cream contour with a ColourPop stick foundation. This is in 197W. Okay, I'm gonna kick off the rest of the powder on my face, and to set my face with some Sephora Micro Smooth. This is in the shade Deep 56. I'm going to add some of the Fenty bronzer in Caramel Cutie. We're gonna go ahead and go into eyes, and then I'll choose my blush and highlighter. Like, I've been itching to get back into the Jackie Aina palette, so today's the day. Okay, we're gonna start with the color Ginger, kind of like a transition shade and a crease shade. Like, Ginger is so perfect. This look is going to be simple and like just easy to just throw on and go to like maybe a holiday party or work. It's still going to be glam enough to like do just about anything in it. Now I'm going to mix edges and credit together. more so more edges than credit. And then I'm going to take the brush I was using in the beginning and fluff out any hard edges. And I'm going to put the same colors on my lower lash line. I think I'm going to start with I'm going to do the darker two shades. Yeah, I'm going to start with credit and stamp that on. And I'm going to blend that out with edges. I'm going to take Soleil and put for like an inner tear duct highlight. And yeah, even though I'm really digging the matte, I have these two liners from ColourPop, and I'm thinking of putting one of them in my lower lash line, but I gotta see which one. Maybe the dark one. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna just put black. Okay, it really didn't make much of a difference. I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna do liner. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go for like a wing, but I'm using the Wonder Beauty Highline liner. I've been using this blush a lot. It's the KKW Karma blush, and I don't know, it's just my kind of color. And I want a highlighter that kind of pops, so I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. This highlighter is like everything. It kind of looks like Soleil. And I think I'm going to go in with more bronzer. One to just like carve out my cheeks a little bit more, and this one's by the Prime Beauty in Bronzeville. Makes my face look a little more snatched. I'm gonna use the new ColourPop Pretty Fresh Setting Mist. Before I get into liner, I like to use the Too Faced Lip Injection. While that's doing its magic, I need to pick a lip shade. Oh, like that's damn near perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And this is a Morphe lip crayon in the shade TTFN. And I'm gonna pair that with KKW lip liner in number 3. So yeah, that wraps up today's video. I hope you liked today's look, because I really do. Like, I love dark vampy looks more than I like wearing a whole bunch of color, but this is my vibe. So yeah, that wraps up today's video. If you like today's look, please give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Carl Paul.